Hi guys, so this is my first time making a real YouTube video. So the first time I tried doing this, I was so nervous, I almost cried. So the first video we're gonna make, I'm not gonna do a login video, but the first video is a slime collection. So first off, we have glitter putty, which is florp. You're gonna hear the slime fart. And it's glittery. And here it is. And it's really stretchy, but it breaks. And it gets glitter all over the table in your hands. So it's really stretchy, but you gotta stretch it gentle, so it doesn't break. Not go like, yeah. Okay. That was not me. It was my slime. Okay, let's just move on. So I got this orb slimy slime, which is Fluffuccino. It's really hard to open. Can you open it? Ew. Well, that's not hard. This is very good. So we got this one, which is my favorite part of the slime. The other slime got a little weird looking when it came out. Woo! It's super slimy. Slimy. Oh my gosh. Whoa, you guys. Oh, it's so slimy. It's like sticking to me. Woo. It might drop on your clothes. Get in there. Down. Okay. After I put this in there, we're gonna start with the other slime. And here it is. Not bad. I like it. And now I like it because it's not as slimy. Well, it was never slimy. It was always like this. Well, not always. It's just a little hard now. Okay. I can see my fingerprints. We got this peach slime, which is really nice feeling. It's like spiderweb. Look at it. It smells really good too. I can't get it out though. I can never get it out. Oh, I got something. I felt like something was hiding in it, but it wasn't. It was just the bottom. So here is what it looks like. It's super stretchy. And it looks like a spider web when you stretch it out. It's like my favorite. It smells really good. Oh, it smells so good. It's so fluffy, kind of. Yeah, it's fluffy cloud slime, I think. Right? Okay. So, 100 of all. So I'm gonna say the biggest for last, actually. So we got this watermelon fluffy slime. That looks like this with sprinkles. Mustache. It smells weird. It looks weird right now. Well, it doesn't look weird. It just looks weird in the middle. This 100th time I stretch it. So it's slimy. It feels really slimy. It's got my favorite part of it is the pink. The pink is pretty. Okay, last hit. is the biggest one. Is floof. It's not really slime. It's just like, I don't know, but it's kind of like slime, right? Oh, it smells really good. It smells better than the peach. And it's really fluffy. And on the bucket it says lighter than air. No. Air is lighter than this. You can't even feel air. Woo. Oh God, and it'll leave your hands really messy. Just like the glitter. But who cares? Woo! It's like kinetic sand, kind of. No! It went all over the place. And this is what it all looks like. Peace out! Smack it. There. The lid almost fell. And that's all for today. Bye guys. Peace out.